Hi, so now we've added the pagination to our project. We've also added the detail page. Okay, this is awesome. So now if we press on move trailer, we will see, yeah, this is not the home, moves, yeah. So now we have this pagination. If we hit next, we can move to another page and so on. And if we move to any one of those pages, in one of those movies, we can see that we have information about this movie. Okay, so we need to change a lot of change. We need to add a lot of changes to our models. So let's start. First of all, we need to add the links, and we need to add the cast, and we need also to add a slug. So instead of using an ID, we need to use a slug. Okay. So first of all, let's open our code. Let's open models. So this is the movie. So here we need to add the watch links and the download links. So here I'm going to see class watch links, which will inherit from models.model. We need also class for download links, which will also inherit from models.model. And now let's take a look at the front end for the cast. If we press on any one of those, let's take a look at our front end. So if we open, let's say single, and if we press on Gary Oldman, nothing happened, just the names. Okay. So we can add the cast on here. So we can see the cast equal to models.core field char field, and we can see max length equal to, and let's say 100. And let's move down. So now we've added the cast, we need to add the watch links. So first of all, we need to add the movie, and this is our relation, and we need to add a link. So this will be models.url field, and this will be models.foreign key field. Okay. So now we need to add the target model, and this is the movie. And the related name, we're going to say movie watch link. And on delete, we're gonna do model.cascade. So if we deleted a movie, we're gonna delete all the watch links. Okay. And then now we have the models.url field. So we're gonna do the same with the watch links. We can save those two models in only one model, and we can give it a type for download or watch, and this will be better. So we're gonna say movie links, just like this, and this is the movie, the link, and we're gonna give it a type, and we're gonna say link choices equal to, and let's add our links, and in here we're gonna say download link and watch link. So this is download link, and this is watch link, and here we're gonna say the type equal to models.char field, and here we're gonna say the choices equal to the link choices, and the max length equal to only 1, because this is only one letter. And now let's hit save. So now let's take a look at our server. There is nothing called URL field, So I don't remember the spelling, but we can search Google. Django URL field. So those are all the model fields. So let's search for URL field. So we have URL field this way. All the 3 letters of URL are capital. Okay. So let's open our code. So this is URL field. So now our server is running. So okay, let's speed our screen. So let's make migrations because we've edited the models.py. So we're gonna say Python manage.py, make migrations. Okay, we're trying to add a non-nullable field cast to a movie without a default. We cannot do this. So first of all, we need to provide a one-off default, or we can quit. So let's provide a one-off default, and this is the empty string. So now we've added the field cast to movie, we've created a model movies link. So now let's migrate this information. Here we are. So now let's run our server. So now let's move back to our admin. For movies, where is the movie links? There is no movie links in here. As we said before, when we add a new model to our code, we need to add this model to the Django admin. So let's take this and let's open the admin.py and add this to the register. Just like this. And now let's refresh our page. Here we are. So now we have the movie links. So let's add this and let's choose this movie and the type, let's say download link, and we need to add a link in here. So we need any kind of link. So let's take this one actually. Like this, and let's hit save and add another. And let's add Spider-Man also, but this is a watch link. Let's add this. So now we have two movie links object. So we need to fix this object name problem. So let's open the models.py. And in here, let's add our unique function. So let's say dev str will take self from us and will return self dot. So self.move. If we set self.movie, we're gonna have an issue, but let's take a look. So now let's refresh, and here we are. We've got Spider-Man Homecoming. This is awesome. Okay, it works. Workable actually. Okay, so now we have Spider-Man Homecoming and Spider-Man Homecoming. Okay, and can we do it like this? Str type, and we're gonna see the type self.type. So now let's refresh, and we've got an error unsupported operand types for movie and str. Okay, return str self.movie. Okay. Okay, we will do it later. So now we have our movies. So now let's open the Spider-Man Homecoming. So this is the links, and for the movies we need to add the cast. So we have a cast in here. So we need to add cast. So let's see, I don't know his name actually. So let's see any name. So we're gonna see. So let's see X and Y, or we can copy the names in this. So we Gary Oldman. And we can Yeah, just like this. So let's hit save. And here, let's refresh our page. So we need to open the movie number 1, and we need to add their names instead of those. So here, in our list, in our detail view, and for this, yeah, the cast. So let's remove this, and so there is a cast.html. So let's take a look at this page actually. Cast. There is no HTML file called the cast.html. Okay. So let's edit the same we did. So here we're gonna say object.cast, and let's remove this. So now let's refresh. So now we have Gary Oldman in this. Yeah, this is awesome. And we have 0 views, and we need to retrieve the download links and the watch links also. So in our views, we need to override the get context object in here, and we're gonna do this, but we're gonna do this in the next lecture. See you next lecture.